Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to change a system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find General. Now let's scroll down and tap on Language and Region, and as you can see here we've got the section with the preferred languages, which are kind of currently applied. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add a Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to tap on the language you want to set, and then here you can decide whether you want to pick and set new language or keep the English, in my case, turned on. So let's tap on the new language, use French in my case, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got two or more languages added in this list, you do not have to enter this whole list of languages. All you have to do is to reorder them. So let me set English. We have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Then let's tap on Continue. And be patient. And as you can see, we've got English set, and if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon and then tap on Delete. Let's tap on Done, tap on Continue, and of course we have to wait again, but from now on you will have only English language applied in this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.